Well, hello, my friendly shoppers, and welcome back. This is Gina. Hope you're having a great day so far. So today we're back shopping at ALDI. We're going to look for all the new arrivals because they come out every Wednesday and always something new here at the store. So we're going to go in and check it out. And they have the 8-inch personal fans. So you have two colors to choose from. And the price of these, not too bad, $10. That is nice, especially if you need multiple fans around the house. These are good. And they have some new laundry baskets. I'm trying to see, is it just two? But I think, yeah, it's a single one. These kind of look like my old one. I like the curve because when you carry it on your hip. Now those are $6.99. Oh, they're called hip hold baskets. Perfect. Now, there is a new storage bin. It's for under the bed for $9.99. These were just really hard to get to because the lids are right on top. You have to take like all of these off if you're wanting to get one. It's not exactly the most convenient thing to do, but those are there. Now, right next to it, we had a flexible, they're called flexible, like the hamper. So they're lightweight, but they're definitely in there. And so those are nice. Looks like you have about 3 colors to choose from, but the price, so let's get the glare out, $4.99. Really great price. $6.99. So we're going to see some back to school items, the permanent markers, a set of 24. That is a good number. And here, 24. I mean, that's a lot for $6.99. And those are always good to have and donate to teachers. For $4.99, the reusable snack and sandwich bags. These are nice. They almost look like machine washable. So many different little designs to choose from. But you can also use these for different items because it feels almost like material. Super soft. Several different designs. So one is a 3-pack of the snacks. And then over here on the right, I'm going to grab this one, is 2 larger ones. And those are perfect for sandwiches or larger snacks. And for $3.99, the lunch notes. Well, this is super cute. You have 18 designs and 180 cards total. Look at that. That is such a great idea. I like that. And for $4.99, this is good. I'm actually going to grab one of these. The assorted cards. You have like just a note, a thank you, a hello. And sometimes these simplest things, but to give to a friend, especially if I'm giving them a plant or something, I always like to attach a little card. $4.99. Okay, the planners. Ooh, I like these. I like that they're undated. See, 12 months undated. Okay, I'm going to actually grab this for my daughter. I like there's a ruler that she could put notes in here. And she'll like this. And, oh yeah, the stickers. She'll love that. And now this is really cute. $4.99 still. Happy looks good on you. I like this. Nothing worth having comes easy. That is so true. And sometimes you just need little reminders. Don't overthink it. I'm always having to tell myself that. And choose joy. This is really cute. I'm going to grab that. And that's one of my favorite sayings. It's a good day to have a good day. And for $4.99, worth it. Or the other ones were $4.99. Now this is $4.99 as well. And this is perfect for the desk taking notes. I take notes all the time. So I'm a huge note taker. So I always have desk pads and everything. $4.99, you have some essential oils. $12.99, you have the ultrasonic diffuser. That sounds really interesting. So these are on the top shelf. Not always the easiest items to get because they're piled up pretty high. But $4.99. So it says bamboo or silicone. I'm just going to grab one. They're in a styrofoam. But these are actually really nice. Perfect for the desk. So you have protection just in case you knock it over. It's not going to pour everywhere. But it's a good size. Now, $9.99 X large desk mat. Always a great idea. I definitely endorse those because I use a couple. They protect your desk. And then here's some nice little easy items. That $14.99 was that for that little memory card. And then we have these hooks. They're not the best, like they're not going to stick as well as command hooks, but for the price, just keep them really light, not heavy items on there. $9.99 portable laptop stand. It almost looked like a little pair of skis over there on the right. And $4.99 the kitchen solutions. Now these are great. Kitchen solutions, craft room, if you have like for the garage, you could use these for and for the price. I love the price, especially for the ones that spin around. So one of the things I love about Aldi, I love their prices, but honestly, if you see something you like, you want to grab it. Now they have a really good return policy. Just kind of definitely hold on to your receipt and the packaging. But I've returned several things, no issues. Now the Berry Keeper, this 2-pack set, and then you have the fresh produce. These are good sizes. And for the price, not too bad. Because I know these could get a little pricey. They're $9.99 each. $14.99. Now these are the desktop accessories, which is good. So I like that. You set it on your desk, you can see, you can plug in items really easy. You have a USB port. You also have a USB-C port. These are great. I like these. You don't have to go underneath the desk. This is perfect for me. And then I have a couple of those throughout the house. And then this is another good one. So you can put on your desk, especially if you have a few of the USB items you need to plug in. I like those. $14.99, not a bad price for those. Now $4.99 tea or coffee accessories. Look how cute these little tea infusers are. You got the little doggy, you got the kitty, you got the bee, and you got a nice little leaf. These are so fun, and this perfect, little addition to gifts. And the single cup, the coffee filters, especially for K-cups. And then $9.99 desk organizer. I see too. Ooh, this is really pretty. I'm loving the gold. And I think it does spin around. It's just really tight in the box. And then these are really nice. I can pick it up. Document box. Oh, I like that. That would almost be great for a bathroom. You can put makeup on there, put some items on top. So many different uses. $3.99. Luxury cleaning tools. I like how the glass is luxury. But glass spray bottles, always a plus. I always have one or two extra to have around. Now, $14.99. I know there is a glare. Is the wireless keyboard and mouse set. That is nice. And for the price. Yeah, I like that. That is good. And then Life Concepts, the portable lap desk. Oh, I like the hand pads, and then a little place for your phone, or if you want to put a mouse there. And it's $7.99, the price of it. Now, I only saw two of them, so the green or the light blue. Now, $8.99, the folding step stool. Always good to have a couple of these around the house. I have one in the kitchen, one in my closet, and it always comes in handy for me. And $3.99, more luxury cleaning tools. Ooh, so luxurious. These are good. The palm brush. What else we have in here? Great handle. They are pretty. I will say that. I'm gonna reach back here. Now, you know what? I actually need one of these. I had one. It broke. So I'm gonna grab this. It looks luxurious. Got the wood, you got the faux marble going on. Some more back here. What else is this? And sometimes you kind of have to go through this stuff. take a look at it. Oh, this is a nice brush. You got the wood, you got the faux marble, this little scraper on top. That is good for getting like price tags off of things. Or sometimes just if you're using this for your dishes, get a little gunk off of there. Those are good to have. Like, the price is really decent. Now, the interlocking foam floor tiles. Now, normally when you see these, they're just like a solid gray. $9.69. So there's 4 pieces. Not the hugest set, because these can get really expensive. But I like the faux wood and then almost like a sea foam green. Try to see if there's another one. And I like that it has the edges. Yeah, these are really nice. And I think there's gray in the back. Yeah, it looks like there's a gray. And so it's not the hugest cover, but I mean for $9.69 if you want to get one, you know, depends on how big you want your space, but the cover's about 16 feet. Now these are really cute. They are plastic, but for $4.99, I love the citrus. And then you have one in blue. I actually have one I bought years ago. I have a solid red. I like it. I keep outdoor toys in it. And then for $12.49, the Hero sandwich kits are getting very popular, which is cool. I like it because it tastes good. It's so easy to put together. You can put it together any way you want. Now this kit includes the Hero slices, tzatziki sauce, and the pita breads. And so that looks really yummy. And it's beef and lamb as well. All right, $4.95. The vanilla, the Stroop waffles. These are yummy. They always have, like Aldi always has like great little fun ice cream desserts. I haven't seen this one before. And so if there's some items you see that you don't think I'm reviewing, I've actually probably shown them in previous videos. The gelato. And so I'll put a link to some of the previous videos in the description below. The gelato, always a great idea. $3.99. The gelato bites. Oh, those sound really yummy. There's 10 of them. They're probably not that big, but how perfect is that? You want 1 or 2? These look really yummy. You have a choice between chocolate or vanilla. I'd get both. But yum. Yeah. At $7.49. The sausage. This pizza looks really good. Sausage take and bake. Oh, that sounds really yummy. And then $4.99. You have the mini empanadas. I've had those before. And then for $4.49, the vegetable samosas. Oh, there's even a dipping sauce in here. Those sound good. I haven't tried those yet. Not the ones from here from Aldi. Here's some more information on the empanadas. Easy to make though. I always like that. And for $2.95, the garlic knots. These are my favorite. They sell out always so quick. Just heat them and serve. So yummy. I really do like these. So everybody, thank you so much for coming along to Aldi with me today, checking out some new items. Thank you again for your time and for watching. Take care, and until next time we shop, I'll talk to you later.